Okay, this is Food and Health, Unit 1 from Term 2, Standard 2, Environmental Science.
Grandpa, how beautiful this place is. Are these paddy fields?
Yes, we get rice from paddy plants.
Does all our food come from plants, Grandpa?
Yes, plants are our major source of food. We get some food from animals also.
Plants gives us cereals and pulses. We get cereals and pulses from plants. Rice and wheat are cereals. Millets are also a type of cereal. Cereals and pulses like lentils make up the major part of our food and they keep us healthy. Okay, here we are going to talk about cereals. Okay, here we have some examples of cereals like rice, pearl millet, corn, finger millet. So if you have any one of these at home, one or two, you can show it to your child. Uh, Let them see what it is and you can make them understand and learn the name of the cereals. Same goes with the pulses. Here they have given red kidney beans, cowpeas, double beans, peas. So if you have any one of these, show it to your kids and make them learn the names. Then we have oil. Now seeds and nuts gives us oil. So here are some example. Coconut oil, groundnut oil, sunflower oil, sesame oil. So from all the seed like from coconuts we get coconut oil. From groundnuts we'll get groundnut oil. From sunflower seeds we'll get the oil. Same with the sesame seeds. We get sesame oil. Moving on to coffee and tea. We get coffee from coffee beans and tea from the tea leaves. Jaggery and sugar both come from sugarcane plant and palm tree. So in jaggery we have palm jaggery and the jaggery which comes from sugarcane. So from palm jaggery which comes from the palm trees we get palm sugar. Same with jaggery. Jaggery is made out of sugarcane and from there, from the same sugarcane, we can get sugar as well. Let's talk about spices. Now, spices we get from plants and they add flavor and taste to the food what we prepare and eat. Example, curry leaf, turmeric, chilies, cinnamon. And also fenugreek, mustard, clove, cumin. Same, if you have all this at home, show it to your child and make them understand what it is and then make them learn the names. Same goes with vegetables, fruits and greens. So whatever vegetables you have them at home or fruits, you show it to them and then teach them the names. Let's talk about what animals gives us. Now, animals give us meat, milk and eggs. Now let's talk about meat. Which animals gives us meat? We can get our meat from chicken, lamb, goat and many other animals. Now what about milk? Who gives us milk? We have cow, buffalo, goat which gives us milk. Then coming to eggs, we get eggs from hens and ducks. Now, crab, prawns and wide variety of fish are from water bodies like ponds, lake, river and the sea. Now, these are the examples what they have given: crab, prawns and fish. Then we have honey. From where do we get honey? Honey comes from honey bee. When we talk about milk products, What are the milk products which can be prepared out of milk? And the answer is curd, butter, ghee, paneer and cheese. We can prepare it from milk. And having milk and milk product every day is healthy for our body. Next, observe the pictures and write the names of the various food items. So make a child see the picture and answer what that picture is. The first one is curd, second one is ghee, third one is milk, then we have eggs and the last is meat.
Grandpa, shall I eat this pizza?
Come, let me take you to the healthy and junk food race. After seeing the race, you can decide if you want to eat it or not.
Race!
Healthy food and junk food had a quarrel on who gave better health and strength. They planned to have a running race to decide on it.
The race starts. Both teams run fast. The junk food team gets tired and slows down. The healthy food team wins the cup.
Nila, some food items taste nice but do not keep us healthy. They make us put on weight and cause harm to our body. They are called junk food. Some food items help us grow and keep us fit and strong. They are called healthy food. So eat healthy, stay energetic.
Grandpa, now I understand. Henceforth, I will eat healthy food.
Here are some activities from the book itself. So first is write number 1 for the food that you can eat regularly. Second, write 2 for those you can have once in a while, and 3 for those you should avoid. Now we have placed the numbers. Uh, you can again think which you can use regularly, you can eat once in a while, and which you should avoid. Now Atirasam we have placed number 2 because actually it is made out of jaggery, not sugar. So it is it is more healthier than having something like biscuits. Second one is nuts. Nuts are good for health, so we can eat them regularly. Third one is biscuits. Biscuits are mainly full of sugar and butter, so we have said you should avoid it. Next is banana. We said it is 1 because it is fruit and it is very good for health. Coming down to maida noodles, we said we should avoid them because it is junk food. Eggs are very good for our health, so we should eat them regularly. Then comes murukku. Now murukku again it is made out of rice, but it is fried food. So we said that we can have it once in a while, but you can also say that if you are really very healthy person, then you can go for number 3 also, saying that you should avoid it. Same goes for chocolate. Chocolate is again contains very high sugar, so we said number 3 that we should avoid it. Let's move on to color the pictures which belong to the given group. So first group is milk group. Answer is we have ice cream, milk and cake. Vegetable group, we have carrot, peas and brinjal. Fruit group, we have banana, apple and watermelon. Meat group, we have fish, prawns, crab and chicken. Now, let's move on to write P for the food from plants and A for the food from animals. The first is coffee. It comes from a plant. Second is milk, comes from animal. Third is pea, comes from plant. Next is eggs, come from animal. Next is meat, comes from animal. Next is jaggery, comes from plant. Next is ghee, comes from animal. Then we have ragi, comes from plant. Corn, plant. Honeybee, animal. Chili, plant. Prawns, animal. Circle every fourth letter and find me. So, a lot of letters are given. So, you need to count 1, 2, 3, 4 circle, 1, 2, 3, 4 circle and write the circled letters together and we are going to get the answer as jaggery. Choose the correct word and fill in the blanks. We get rice from paddy. We get milk from the cow. We get eggs from the hen. We get honey from the honeybee. Tick the food items that keep us healthy. Honey, eggs and milk.